Next, we'll look at setting up routing policies for Office 365 traffic, allowing for local public internet access at site locations, but also providing failover to backhaul the traffic through a transit site if needed. In SD-WAN Orchestrator, we can easily configure this behavior by enabling the default Office 365 group. Here we can see that optimized category is already enabled for local breakout of Office 365 URLs that are highly sensitive to latency. If internet service has already been configured, then this setting will automatically be enabled by default. We can optionally enable any other of the URL classifications. Review the O365 network connectivity principles for further detail. With Citrix SD-WAN, Office 365 is a special application which gets treated differently than any other SaaS app. With this solution, SD-WAN devices will periodically reach out to Microsoft to obtain the latest Office 365 policies via API. Citrix SD-WAN then leverages these policies for Microsoft to properly identify traffic on the first packet and deliver that packet to the nearest Office 365 front door, providing the lowest latency connection and highest end user experience possible. Other SaaS applications such as Salesforce can still benefit from local internet breakout by creating application routes to steer the traffic as desired. We can demonstrate these results. First, we'll run Microsoft's network assessment tool to test the connectivity to their services and generate some Office 365 traffic on a host machine in our branch office site. From the results, we can see that we are actively observing 14 milliseconds of latency with the Citrix SD-WAN solution providing front door handoff for Office 365 traffic, which results in the highest end user experience for that application. Further, we can observe the traffic on SD-WAN Orchestrator by fetching the latest data on the firewall connections for that branch. In the search filter, we can search specifically for Office 365 traffic, and from the results, we can see that we're delivering that Office 365 traffic leveraging the local internet breakout through the configured internet service. We'll now purposely bring down the local internet WAN link for the branch site, leaving only the MPLS link. The custom application route to steer that traffic will no longer be active and the traffic will fall back to the backhaul route. We can see the immediate impact of this by again running that network assessment tool. Now we're seeing a latency of 98 milliseconds, which means this Office 365 traffic is being backhauled through a transit site. Fetching the latest data on the firewall connections will reflect the new method of delivery, where the Office 365 traffic is now being delivered through the virtual path service type, confirming our desired behavior of leveraging the remaining MPLS link with the backhaul traffic through the transit site.